In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Edge blocking downloads and not downloading. If you're facing issues with Microsoft Edge blocking downloads or not downloading files, here are some steps you can try. First thing you can do is to go ahead and click on the Settings and More button at the top right of your screen. So under this, you'll be able to find the menu of Microsoft Edge. So in here, just simply click on that Settings button and that will take you into the Settings page. So make sure that you click on that Settings button, and on the Settings page, you'll be able to find Privacy, Search, and Services after the Profiles button. Click on that, scroll down, and you'll be able to find the section of deleting browsing data. So click on Choose What to Delete. Now set this into your preferred deleted data. After you set that, go ahead and click on that Clear Now button to immediately clear the cache and cookies of this browser. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is to go ahead and disable antivirus software temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software can block downloads. Disable it temporarily and try downloading again. If it works, add an exception for Edge in your antivirus settings. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and check site permission. So go to Settings and head over into Cookies and Site Permission. Now scroll to Pop-ups and Redirects and ensure it allows download. And the last option that you have, if the three things said before doesn't work, is to go ahead and reset Microsoft Edge. Click on that Reset Settings button and choose Restore Settings to their default values. And that's basically how you can fix Microsoft Edge blocking downloads and not downloading. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.